Welcome to Life Upgrade with AI, where I want to show you how you can use AI to simply improve your life. A brand new year is right around the corner, and this is the perfect time to think about what you want for yourself in the next 12 months. But setting goals can feel overwhelming, especially when you're staring at a blank page and don't know where to start. The good news is that AI can guide you through the entire process in a simple, structured, and encouraging way. In this video, I'll show you how to use a few beginner-friendly prompts to reflect on your year, choose meaningful goals, break them into steps, and create a plan you can actually follow. Let's get started. Before we think about next year, it helps to look back and understand what worked and what didn't. Reflection gives your goals meaning and makes sure that you're not just choosing random resolutions. Here's the first prompt I'm using. Help me reflect on the past year. Ask me 10 simple questions that will help me understand what went well, what didn't, and what I want to change. AI will generate thoughtful questions about your habits, routines, relationships, energy, career, mindset, or anything else that shaped your year. You can answer these questions in as much or as little detail as you want. This is just between you and your AI. Once you've reflected, it's time to identify the big themes that matter for you. These themes will become the foundation for your goals. Here's the prompt. Turn the answers to these questions into 3 to 5 themes for my life next year. AI will look at your reflections and highlight recurring ideas. Things like more balance, better health, stronger relationships, financial stability, creativity, confidence, or self-care. Themes will help you narrow your focus and make sure your goals align with what really matters to you, not what you think you should want. Now we're ready to turn those themes into clear goals. This is where the magic happens. Here's the prompt you can use. Turn these themes into clear, specific goals using simple language. Make them realistic and beginner-friendly. AI will take each theme and turn it into 1 or 2 actionable goals. For example, if your theme is health, your goal might be walk 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. Or if your theme is creativity, write for 15 minutes every morning. Or if finances is important to you, save $150 per month automatically. These are realistic, practical, and easy to understand. That's the key to goals you actually stick with. Now this is where most people get stuck. They know what they want, but they don't know how to get there. So let's ask AI to break everything down into monthly and weekly steps. Here's the prompt. Break each of these goals into simple monthly and weekly action steps I can realistically follow. AI will turn each goal into a clear plan, such as monthly milestones, weekly tasks, small steps to build momentum, what to track, and what to focus on first. This makes your goals feel doable instead of overwhelming. Tracking your goals is what keeps you consistent, and AI can help with that too. Here's the prompt. Create a simple goal tracking plan I can use in Notes or Notion. Include daily, weekly, and monthly checkpoints. Of course, you can use Google Docs, you can use Microsoft Word, whatever you prefer to replace Notes or Notion is fine. AI will give you a clean, minimal structure you can paste into your Notes app or Notion, Google Docs. This might include daily checkboxes, weekly reflections, monthly reviews, a place for small wins. The goal here isn't perfection, it's progress. Every goal comes with challenges, and anticipating them helps you stay consistent. Let's have AI generate some practical solutions. Here's the prompt you can use for this. Give me a list of potential obstacles for these goals and simple strategies to overcome them. AI will list things like lack of motivation, low energy, time constraints, forgetting habits, or losing momentum, along with strategies you can use when these moments show up. This step gives your plan resilience. You'll know how to keep going even when things get tough. Now let's put it all together. Here's the final prompt. Combine everything into one simple New Year's goal plan I can copy and use. AI will pull together your reflections, themes, goals, action steps, tracking plan, and finally your obstacles and the solutions for them, all in one clean document. You can save it, tweak it, or print it out, whatever works best for you. This becomes your roadmap for the year ahead. And that's it. With just a few simple prompts, you now have a thoughtful, realistic New Year's goal plan that's actually doable and tailored to your life. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments what other New Year's or life planning videos you'd like to see next. And check out my other tutorials to learn more ways you can use AI to upgrade your everyday life. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have an amazing year ahead.